mag-set up ng TOTP sa my.sss member account. Log into your my.sss account. So, ilalagay lang natin ang user ID, password, then click sign in button. So, ayun guys, naglagay na si SSS ng one-time PIN through SMS. Pag pinindot mo yung get PIN, makakatanggap ang iyong registered mobile number sa SSS ng OTP. At yun ang ilalagay mo dito sa enter your single sign-on credentials below. Then, after mo malagay, pipindutin mo yung login button. So, after ko mapindot yung login, ito yung lumabas. Click here to go the new member portal. So, pag i-click mo naman yung here guys, ang kakalabasan niyan, magda-download siya ng documents. So, naisip ko, baka kailangan mag-set up na ng TOTP. So, yun ang gagawin natin. So, set up TOTP for added security sa account natin. So, balik tayo dito sa TOTP through SMS. So, click set up TOTP. Set up time-based one-time password. Step 1, account verification. Provide password. Para maka-generate ng TOTP, pakilagay ang iyong user ID at password. Meron kang limit na 5 attempts. Pwedeng ma-lock ang iyong account after 5 unsuccessful tries. So, please be careful guys. So, after natin malagay ang user ID at password, next natin gagawin ay click next button. Set up time-based one-time password. Step 2, QR code and secret key. Generated QR code and secret key. Okay, bago tayo mag-proceed sa pag-download ng Google Authenticator app, basahin muna natin yung mga instructions, guys. So, sa baba, may makikita ka na generated QR code and secret key. For security purposes, paki-picture or print screen para meron kang copy kasi after mo ma-scan itong generated QR code, hindi na siya mag-a-appear. Number 2 instruction, download and install the Authenticator app. For desktop or laptop users, download Authenticator. For mobile device users, number 1, App Store for iOS devices, Google Authenticator. Number 2, Google Play Store for Android devices, download Google Authenticator. So, na-download ko na guys sa cellphone ko yung Google Authenticator app. So, hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo kasi lahat naman alam kung paano yun. So, next natin gagawin ay i-set up natin ang time-based one-time password or TOTP in the Authenticator app. So, gawin lang natin, i-open lang natin yung mismong Authenticator app. Tapos, next natin gagawin ay i-scan natin tong generated QR code. Then, click next button. So, next natin gagawin guys ay i-open natin ang Google Authenticator app at i-enter ang 6-digit OTP generated by Authenticator app. Take note, you have a limit of 5 attempts. The account will be locked after 5 unsuccessful tries. After natin malagay ang one-time PIN, next natin gagawin ay i-click ang next button. You have successfully enabled the TOTP feature of your my.sss account. You should need to reset it. Kindly email usaptayo@sss.com.ph. Then, click login button. So, ito na yung magiging itsura niya guys pag naka-enable na yung time-based one-time password. As you can see guys, bago ang features ng my.sss member portal. So, ganun lang kadali mag-enable ng TOTP sa my.sss member portal. At dito nagtatapos ang ating tutorial for today's video. Kung meron kayong mga tanong, just leave your comments. Thanks for watching!